Hello, I'm Christy Carpenter and I'm a limited licensed legal technician. Yes, it is a mouthful, so legal technician will be just fine. Legal technicians are also referred to as LLLTs, triple LTs, or 3LTs for short. Legal technicians are licensed members of the Washington State Bar Association. Although we're not attorneys, we do have a defined scope of practice and special rules that allow us to provide many of the same services that an attorney may provide under very limited circumstances. You might think of legal technicians providing legal services concurrent with attorneys in the same way that advanced registered nurse practitioners provide services concurrent with medical doctors. An ARNP can diagnose and treat patients and prescribe medications for common illnesses and injuries. But if you need surgery, cancer treatment, or an organ transplant, you would go to a medical doctor. Similarly, legal technicians may give advice, prepare legal paperwork, perform research, and guide clients through court processes. However, for complicated, highly contested cases that are proceeding toward trial, one would generally need the more comprehensive services that an attorney can provide. Perhaps the most important factor that distinguishes attorney services from legal technician services is that while attorneys may appear in court on behalf of a client and officially represent a client, legal technicians cannot officially represent a client. Clients of legal technicians represent themselves as pro se litigants. So what services can a legal technician provide? Well, first and foremost, as of the date this video was published in November 2017, legal technicians are limited to practicing only in the area of family law. Within that practice area, legal technicians can provide services with regard to divorce and legal separations with or without children, establishing parenting plans and child support for children of unmarried couples if paternity is already established, with the father having signed a paternity affidavit or having been named on the birth certificate. In cases where a father has not signed a paternity affidavit and does not appear on a birth certificate, legal technicians can assist in establishing paternity for a child, as well as parenting plans and child support. And in those cases, genetic testing most likely would be required. Legal technicians can also assist in seeking and defending domestic violence protection orders, modifications of child support, minor modifications of parenting plans where there will not be a change of the primary parent or custody, and the residential time allocation does not change by more than 24 calendar days in a year, and major parenting plan modifications where there is a change of the primary parent or a change in residential time of more than 24 days, only when the parents agree to that modification. Within those types of family law actions, legal technicians can give legal advice, select, prepare, file, and effect service of legal papers, or pleadings as they're called, assist clients with following the procedures required to guide a case through court, for example, with court hearings and trial, assist clients with gathering information that will help them in advancing their case. This is called the discovery process and could involve the issuance of subpoenas or of interrogatories and requests for production of documents. Legal technicians can also perform research and draft legal letters and provide clients with self-help materials. Along with limitations on practice area and case types, legal technicians are prohibited from giving advice or assistance as to certain general aspects of the practice of law. For example, as I mentioned earlier, legal technicians cannot represent clients in court nor in mediations or arbitrations. However, while they cannot stand with a client before a judge at a hearing or trial or actively participate in a mediation, they can give advice to a client on how to present an argument in court or mediation, give talking points, and can be present in court or mediation to observe proceedings and to consult with clients upon their request. Legal technicians are also prohibited from communicating with and negotiating a client's position with an opposing party, the opposing party's attorney, or a third party. Finally, within the types of cases for which legal technicians can give advice and assistance, There are certain issues that legal technicians are prohibited from addressing with clients, unless and until they meet with an attorney and that attorney gives the legal technician written instructions on how to proceed. Within divorce actions, for example, legal technicians will likely need to refer clients to attorneys for advice on the division of real property, allocation of retirement accounts, division of businesses, and with regard to pending bankruptcy actions. Within actions relating to parenting, legal technicians cannot advise clients when there are unresolved issues regarding interstate custody jurisdiction, Native American children, or dependency actions. This is a fairly comprehensive, though not exhaustive, overview of the permitted scope of a legal technician's practice. However, at the time of publication of this video, the Washington State Bar Association Legal Technician Board is seeking to enhance the scope of practice with regard to family law and is investigating possible additional practice areas that may be appropriate for legal technicians to undertake. Please visit mylLLT.com or my Facebook page for updates. Thank you.